Today I'm going to be showing you all how to jailbreak iOS 11 through iOS 14.3 using Unc0ver and Unc0ver. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have Unc0ver installed, and I just did a video on that a little while ago showing how to do that, so go check that video out first before you watch this one. But once you finish that video and you're back to this one, I'll now be showing you guys how to install Unc0ver. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser, and for me I'm going to be using Safari. And once you're in that browser, just type in Unc0ver IPA and then click on Go. And click on the second link down, which should be iosninja.io. And scroll down to the download selection and click on the green download IPA button. Once you're on this website here, go ahead and click on the blue download button, and it'll go ahead and download your file for you and redirect you to this web page here. And once you're on this web page here, you're going to want to click on Open in Unc0ver. And you can now see in the top here that your app's being installed. Okay, now Unc0ver has finished sideloading onto your device. You can go ahead and close out of Unc0ver, and you'll see that Unc0ver is now on your home page. And there's nothing you need to trust because Unc0ver does all that for you. So you can just go ahead and open that right up. And once you're on this page here, all you have to do is simply click on Jailbreak. Okay, and as you can see, the jailbreak has been completed. So now you can just click on OK, and your device will respring for you. And once your device is back booted up, you can just go ahead and unlock it. Scroll over, and as you can see, Cydia has now been installed, and I'll go ahead and open that up for you guys. And yeah, here's the full-fledged Cydia, and your device is fully jailbroken. Now you can do whatever you want with it. And I plan to do some videos on cool jailbreaks in the future sometime, so make sure to stay tuned. If you had any troubles, just leave a comment down below. And a common troubleshoot if your jailbreak keeps failing is to just reboot your device completely, or restore your rootfs, which is just something in the Unc0ver settings. But I'll do my best to get back to you all, and I hope to see you again soon.